This Amish cinnamon bread is pretty much a cake, but I'm not complaining. The sugar cinnamon topping gets crispy, but the cinnamon filling in the middle is so gooey. The bread is moist and has a nice vanilla flavor. Let me show you how to make it. Make the cinnamon sugar filling by combining 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Set aside. To make the bread, cream together 1 stick of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 egg and whisk well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk well. Sift in 1/3 of your pre-mixed dry ingredients, which are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of table salt. Fold gently with a spoon or spatula. Now mix in a half cup of buttermilk. Mix until the milk is well incorporated. Now sift in your next third of dry ingredients. Fold. Now mix in another half cup of buttermilk. Finally, add your last third of dry ingredients and mix just until combined. Transfer half of your batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Spread evenly. Now sprinkle on your cinnamon sugar evenly. Spread on the other half of your batter, being careful not to mix it with the filling. Top with another tablespoon of sugar, a sprinkle of cinnamon, followed by another tablespoon of sugar. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Do not overbake. Let the cake cool in the pan 20 minutes before removing. Let it cool further if you want clean slices. Enjoy.